On the 26th of May 1923, the first 24 hours of Le Mans motor race began, establishing the endurance racing format. Welcome to History Pod. Organised by the Automobile Club de l'Ouest, the event was designed to test the endurance and reliability of both drivers and vehicles, rather than focusing solely on speed. The ACO, already experienced in organising races, announced the creation of the 24-hour endurance race in 1922, and it was set to be part of a planned 3-year contest, with manufacturers competing for overall performance across multiple years. The race began at 4 p.m. on the 26th of May 1923 and concluded at the same time on the following day. Taking place on public roads that had been closed for the occasion, the circuit of just over 17 kilometres included long straights, village roads and tight corners. 33 cars took part, mostly from French manufacturers, but with a few entries from Britain and Belgium. The vehicles themselves ranged in both size and design, reflecting the lack of standardisation in early motor racing. Teams consisted of 2 drivers who alternated over the 24 hours. While pit stops were allowed for fuel, oil, tyre changes and minor repairs, the cars had to be largely self-reliant and complete most maintenance using on-board tools. Drivers also had to complete a minimum number of laps to be classified, encouraging steady performance over time. The race was won by André Lagache and René Lénard, who completed 128 laps of the circuit, covering a distance of over 2,200 kilometres. Although many competitors retired due to mechanical failure or fatigue, the success of the 1923 race helped to establish the 24 Hours of Le Mans as a key fixture in international motorsport.